welcome to MX Breaks on MX24 TV. My name is Daphne Flashley. Let's go straight into our stories for today. Now, good news for Anabel Rose. She has been selected to be part of the African artists at the Alté Africa Showcase. Now, a platform dedicated to spotlighting emerging African talent. Now, the Great Escape is one of the UK's top festival for new music, attracting industry professionals, media, and fans from across the globe. This performance marks another milestone in Anabel Rose's rise as a prominent voice in contemporary African music. Big congratulations to Anabel Rose. Now, if you don't know her, she's one of the beautiful artists in 99 Faces. And actually, the group is doing amazing. They've also produced amazing musicians. And this girl definitely will go far.